Welcome to SEO Arcade. To generate a forecast for your SEO, hit the Generate Forecast button. It's going to give you your dialog interface where you're able to choose your keyword. Let's do Nashville Kayak Tour. Put your conversion rate. This is how many of your visitors convert. A generic number is 2.5. Sale rate means how many leads you get that turn into paying customers. It's not 100% unless you're very lucky. Sales rate, let's say that 25% of people turn into customers, and it's a $200 tour. Now I'm going to choose the device, which is going to let us switch between mobile and desktop. That changes the organic click-through rate table that we use. The way that people come off of Google based off of their device is not the same. Location, you can change your data set. We use data for SEO for our data, and we have all kinds of different countries. So if you're doing international SEO, you can choose a different country and see if the UK for this particular query is different than United States. Obviously, since it's Nashville, it's United States. Language, similar. You can check the language results in a different Google database. So this is English, Dutch, Chinese. We've got all of them here. Once you hit generate, it costs 3,000 coins for a report. Hit confirm. It's going to take a minute or two to refresh during this time in this table. So I'm going to take a moment to tell you a little bit about our process. So SEO Arcade goes to the SERP result for Nashville Kayak Tour. It finds the top 10 URLs for that particular keyword and then grabs the top 100 keywords from those domains, or not just those domains, those pages. So you're able to see what Google thinks is relevant, not just our own system guessing what's relevant or not. We push the search volume that we get from data for SEO through an organic click-through rate table. If you want to mess around with that, it's here in click-through rates. There's desktop and mobile. You can adjust these. There's some good surveys out there by Advanced Web Ranking. You can adjust those. Now let's take a look at our output. So it's all in Google Sheets. This is a cover sheet. It tells you what conversion rates, what click-through rate positions, and it's going to give you this table. And this table is based off of the data that we're going to go through in the other tabs. But if you captured half of these keywords in position 1 to 3, you could potentially get 1,100 searches a month, 297 conversions, 74 sales, $14,000 in revenue per month, and $178,000 in annual revenue. Or if you only did on the first page, just half of these keywords in 4 to 10, you could make $47,000 annually. So let's take a look. You can see the keyword is listed here. The overlap score tells you how many of those URLs also ranked for that domain. So you can use this as kind of overlap relevance score. How relevant does Google think this particular keyword is? Here's the search volume, cost per click. So you can port this information over to your ad campaigns. An estimation of how much traffic you would get for that keyword based off of your conversion rate, how many leads, and then your sales and your revenue from that at the end. Now, if you want to get nitty gritty, every single keyword in every single position is in this sheet. So if you want to know, what would it be like if I was number 5 for this term? Boom. Here's the sales, conversion, and traffic for that one particular keyword. Now, visualizing this and understanding this data is important. So we've added a charts and graph tag to show you at these different positions, what is the level of traffic? How does that stack up next to each other? What are some different ways to visualize that based off of organic position? You can also do it based off of the overlap score and see if is all of the traffic in unique keywords? Is it bundled at the top, somewhere in the middle? These charts and graphs can really help explain to your boss, your client, your customer, exactly what the outcome you can expect from your SEO campaign. I hope you enjoy. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to reach out.